We are sharing with our friends. Do you like it?
Hello everyone, I'm Akshay and this is Arjun.
Happy Friendship Day!
For Friendship Day, we are making a very easy recipe that even kids can make for their friends.
Let's see how to make a 1-minute mug cake.
We are making two versions. One is with vanilla and one is with Nutella.
First, let's add butter to the cups.
We have some melted butter and we are adding 1 tablespoon. Now let's add vanilla essence.
No.
Last vanilla essence.
Now let's add milk.
Now let's add baking powder.
Why is it so tiny?
Now let's add sugar. Now let's add flour. We have to add 3 tablespoons of flour. We've given ingredients with measurements in the description box. Now let's mix all the ingredients well. Mix without any lumps.
Mix fast. Don't mix too fast.
For making Nutella Mug Cakes, we are adding 1 spoon of Nutella.
And mix it so good.
Now the mug cake mixture is ready, now let's add some sprinkles. Now let's microwave these for 1 minute. Microwave each mug cake separately. We both like vanilla, so we are tasting vanilla. Now it's time to taste.
It's too hot. Hot.
This is really good.
It's too hot. It's yummy.
Please subscribe to our channel. Eat fresh, eat healthy. Bye.
Bye. They're making 2 Nutella cupcakes and
I'll do.
Na. We are going to the beach. Na. We are going to the beach. Na. We are going to the beach.